this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve one of the most vexing problems homeowners face: how to coil up a garden hose without getting it tangled or kinked. If you've ever had to use a garden hose, when you're done using it, you're faced with the choice of what do? Do you just leave it out there in the grass, or do you put it away? Most people opt to put it away, which means you either have to coil it up somewhere like next to the house, or you have to coil it up on one of those reel type devices that stands alone or attaches to your house. I'm pretty sure everyone who has had to put away a hose has at least been tempted to just coil it up next to the house and walk away and leave it. The biggest problem with doing it this way, which is the way most people will tend to do it, is that the next time you need to use it, you're going to get it tangled and or kinked, and that is just a royal pain. When you go to use it the next time, you have to be really careful uncoiling it, and that takes time and that takes effort, and that's nothing but a big old bother, and most people want to just drag the hose out and use it. Of course, that makes tangles and that makes kinks. But let me show you a way that you can coil it up next to your house where you can pull it out the next time with no hassles and no kinks and no tangles. The first thing you need to do is to pull the garden hose all the way near where you're going to want to store it. Now, I usually store mine in these bushes over here just to get it out of the way for when we cut the grass, but I'm going to just, for this demonstration, coil it up in the grass just to show you what it does, okay? Let me go pull that hose now into this area. I'm going to pull it into a kind of an S shape just so that it's where I can get to it, and when I pull it, it doesn't snag on bushes or the corner of the house or anything else. Now you can see this hose is pretty long. I've got it this long so I can reach to all corners of my yard without having to go to different faucets on the house. If it'll work for hose this long, then it'll work for hose that's shorter as well. Now it's important that you start coiling the hose from near the house. The reason for that is because you want the coils nearest the faucet to be on the bottom and the subsequent coils to be on top of that, so that when you start pulling the hose from the end where the sprinkler is or the end of the hose is with the nozzle, you want those first coils to come off of the top of that pile. Now the key here is to coil the hose in a figure 8 pattern. It doesn't have to be a tight figure 8. It can be just a regular loose figure 8, but if you coil it in a figure 8 pattern, it will never tangle again. You can see that by me pulling all the hose right near to where I'm making the coils, it doesn't get all tangled up, and I don't have to stop and jerk the hose from when it gets hung up on a tree or a bush or the corner of the house. Now that didn't take long at all. You can see that the hose is coiled, and it's not that very neat of a coil. It's just where the crossover is in about the same location. Not exactly on top of each other, but just in that same location. And the key to this just makes it so easy. When you pull your hose out the next time, it uncoils with no tangling. Watch this. You can see when I pulled it out, it just came off so easily with no kinks in the hose, no twists, nothing I had to go back there and untangle. I just pull it and go. So if you take the time to coil your hose properly in this figure 8 pattern when you put it away, the next time you need it, you can just pull it out and it's ready to go. If you like this video, and this is pretty much true for any YouTube video, the best thing you can do to encourage us creators to keep making more of these videos is to share the video with other people that you know who may enjoy watching it. One of the best ways to do this is on social media, such as on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Anywhere that you have a lot of friends or followers, just post this video there and more people will have the opportunity to see it. You can also share a video by sending a link to the video to anybody that you want to share it with, either on social media or through an email. Another way to encourage us creators to keep making more of these videos is to leave a comment down in the comment section below. You know, even if you did not like the video, you should leave a comment and tell us why. The key here, of course, is just always be nice. Let's keep it a very friendly community. We would like to know whether you liked it, why you liked it, or if you didn't like it, why you didn't like it, and what we can do better in the future. And 2 final ways to encourage us creators. First is give us a big old thumbs up, because that lets us know that you like the video. It also lets the YouTube robots know that you like the video, and they will be more prone to share this and recommend it to other YouTube viewers. And the second way, of course, is to subscribe to that creator's channel. Just click that subscribe button and then the bell icon, and YouTube will notify you whenever that particular creator posts another video on their channel. I hope this helps you understand more about not just how you can coil your garden hose without getting kinks or tangles, but also what your comments and reactions to a video mean to other people on YouTube and to us creators. Take care, everybody, and stay healthy.